Check out these amazing, delicious dragon fruit wings. Dragon fruit chicken wings. So let's go. So you're gonna need some salt and some black pepper, some onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, some chili powder, a little bit of chicken bouillon, some buttermilk, some flour. I know you guys see that dragon fruit there, so let's jump right in what you're gonna need for the dragon fruit sauce. So you're gonna need a dragon fruit. Get a nice fresh ripe dragon fruit. You're gonna need some honey, some ketchup, some brown sugar, a little bit of water, some soy sauce, and guys, you know we like everything hot. So if you want it hot, get you your favorite hot sauce. And those are your ingredients that you're gonna need to make these delicious dragon fruit chicken wings. Oh man, and I forgot to tell you guys the chicken wings. I don't know how I forget the most important thing. Alright guys, so those are the ingredients you're gonna need to make this dragon fruit chicken wings.
Chef and Chefettes, we are going to season our chicken for our delicious dragon fruit chicken wings. We're going to put about a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of our garlic, 2 tablespoons of our onion powder, 1 tablespoon of our chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of our buttermilk. Yes, that's right, some buttermilk. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 of paprika, and about half a cup of flour. Then we're gonna mix this bad boy around real good. Mix it good. Yep, just like that. And then I'm gonna show you what to do with this. Alright, Chef and Chefettes, while our chicken is marinating for 30 minutes, but if you guys can do overnight, that'll be even better. We are going to blend up our dragon fruit. We chopped it up. We're going to puree it in this little chopper thing.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
We're going to add about two tablespoons of water, alright? And we're going to blend it up.
Chefs and chefettes, so our chicken wings marinated for about 30 minutes. Chef Sam blended and pureed our dragon fruit. Now it's time to fry our wings. So that's what we're gonna do now. Our oil is nice and hot. You can hear that mamma jamma popping. So we're gonna add all our chicken wings to the fire, and we're gonna cook these for about maybe 30 minutes. We're gonna flip them when they're nice and golden brown on each side. Chefs and chefettes, so our wings been cooking for about 15 minutes. We flipped them and we're gonna let them cook for another 15 minutes. So make sure you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Gotta see these dragon fruit chicken wings.
Alright, Chef and Chefettes, we are making our sauce. We're gonna add our 1 tablespoon of butter first. Let this melt up. Next, we're going to add our dragon fruit that we pureed. That looks good already. Put the whole bad boy in. This is 1 whole dragon fruit, guys. Next, we got 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let's add that in. Alright, we have 2 tablespoons of ketchup. It's going to give it a nice rich color. We have 2 tablespoons of honey. Yeah, for some sweetness. It's going to be nice and sweet like me.
No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No, ma'am.
Add all of it and don't miss not one drop. You see it bubbling already? So important, guys. Make sure you are stirring it up, okay? So everything has its flavor. Okay, so we have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Put that in there. And then we have, this is optional. If you like it hot, you can add it. We have 1 tablespoon here of Frank's red hot sauce. All right, we're gonna cook this up, guys. Make sure you stir it up. Ooh, that's the brown sugar.
All right, chefs and chefettes, I hope you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Guys, it's been about exactly 8 minutes, and our dragon sauce mixture has sticking. Take a look at this. Y'all see this? Now it's time to take this bad boy off the stove and pour it over your chicken wings. Come on, let's go. See these wings? OMG. Guys, we're gonna pour this over our wings, mix it up, and you guys are gonna see the finished product. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you tried this recipe. Let us know what you think.